New SVR.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Killingsworth County until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:10 p.m. Central
Nice.
Daylight Time,
10:10.
a severe
It's kinda funny.
thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Quail, or 7 miles west of Wellington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Dang.
Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wellington, Quail, and Luty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Killingsworth.
No storms will be severe. Okay. Yeah, I called that non-severe storms, guys. I'm just kidding, but
A strong thunderstorm